Hi, this is Derek with Boise Cylinder Head Services. Today we're working on a GMC Envoy with direct injection. And what we're talking about is the valve coking that happens with direct injection. You can see it right here. These are the two cylinder heads we're working on. This is out of a 2016 GMC Yukon Denali. And this is the valve coking that happens from the PCV valve blowing air back through. Doesn't get washed out by all the gas from regular injection, and so it builds this stuff up, and then this stuff will fall off and it'll get into your valve to seat contact area. It'll get into your rings on your block, score the cylinder walls as it falls off. It also will go through the valve guide here and climb out the valve stem seal, which is wearing down your guide and also wearing down your valve stem seal. Overall, it just depletes the length of time you're going to have this engine functioning properly. It really increases the wear having this valve coking on there. It's really just a problem with direct injection engines where you see this. Hopefully they'll get past this technology at a certain point. But the only real way to clean it out is to get in here, use a wire brush, maybe do a valve job where you clean up the valves or get new valves. And then you might have to do guide work and refresh the whole head. But this is probably after about 80,000, 100,000 miles or so, and it really wears the stuff down. Anyways, that's all we have for our video today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and hit the like button and that bell notification so you get all our notifications on our new videos. And remember, it's all in your head.